this is the progress of our account. Currently we are up $23. Yeah, and let's hold it. So guys, we are up about $50. So I'm going to set my stop loss at break even. We moved about $80 in profit, and right now we are about $50 in profit. So I'm going to set my stop loss at break even, exactly at break even, 5.20. Yeah, now my stop loss is at break even. I'm not going to lose anything on this trade, so let's hold it till our TP. Okay, pay for the best.
So guys, welcome to the analysis part of this video. These are GBPUSD analysis, and as you can see from your charts, this was the trade. Okay, this was the trade. Yeah, we entered this trade at this area over here, right here. Okay, so I shared this trade with my Telegram channel. As you can see from here, let me show you my Telegram channel. I shared the exact trade. Okay, yeah, sell GBPUSD. Yeah, this was the trade, sell GBPUSD. Okay, and I went break even. I have already updated them. This is the break even. Okay, so let's do the analysis of this amazing trade on GBPUSD. This is the trade currently. Yeah, this is the trade. Did hit the stop loss. We end at break even, bro. To break even. Okay, so this was the trade, and let me show you the full analysis of this trade. Yeah, so this black horizontal line from here, this black horizontal line, this is just previous week high. I think previous week high. Yeah, so if you come into the market, you can spot these points. Let me delete these points first. Let me just delete these points. I'm going to plot them differently again. So let me delete this one. Let me just remain with the lines that I used to analyze this market with. So if we come into the market right here, you can see we had this. I came into the market at 12. Okay, at this point. So this is the previous 8 a.m. candle. I marked the high, the low, and the middle of the previous 8 a.m. candle in 4 hour. We are in 4 hour time frame, so I marked it like that, and the middle. Okay, the middle and the middle like that. Okay, let's mark the middle and I show you the analysis. So like that, then I mark this zone. So I was waiting for market to pull back to this zone, and I give us some sort of break of structures. Okay, so this was the analysis. This was the analysis, guys. This was the analysis. Okay, this is the analysis, and so the my good entry opportunity was supposed to be at this zone here, because I was waiting for this market to pull back into our zone and give us some sort of break of structure to the downside, then start selling to the downside. Okay, that was my analysis. That was what was supposed to be done. Okay, but when I came into the market was right here. This trade had already broken. It already started moving to the downside. It was at this point here to the downside. I'm using the wrong. No, just this one. So when I came into the market was already at this point here. Okay, market was already here. It already started moving, forming some selling candlestick like this. So immediately I entered that market. Yeah, entered this market exactly at these immediately after this bearish candle, I entered the trade, and I shared it with the Telegram channel. Okay, so my stop loss was just above here, okay, above this horizontal red line. So I was only targeting 40 pips and risking 5 pips. These 5 pips risk and 40 pips target. That's 1:8 risk to reward ratio. 1:8 risk to reward ratio. So you can see this trade is already moving into our direction. If it breaks this area, here, if it breaks this area to the downside, although this is a sign of retest to this area, then continue with the buy move, maybe up to this area, then sell, retest, then boom to the downside. That is what can happen in this market. But if it just break here to the downside, waiting for the retest, then sell. But I'm not going to trade again. Yeah, I'm done for the day. It's already too late over here. So this is just the day 9 of trading the $50 account to $5,000 account, and we are progressing very well. Everything is great. Okay, so and this is another trade that I shared. So this is all about this trade, and I had shared another trade here on gold. This trade is doing something crazy, guys. I shared this trade and it has taken us out with a stop loss. Crazy. And now it's moving into our direction. Wow, this is crazy, man. This was my anticipation. This market was supposed to sell. As you can see, it's a clean sell. It has already come into our zone. Like, this is the first time has come into our zone, second time, and again third time coming to stop us out, and then it's now moving into our favor like this. Okay, that's crazy. I was only targeting 200 pips and risking 50 pips. Okay, but today's gold market wasn't good. Yeah, market is not moving, guys. Market is not moving. So that's what's all about the today's trade, guys. If you haven't joined my free Telegram channel, use the link in the description, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, subscribe to the channel, guys, and give this video a thumbs up, and also register with the best broker. Link is just in the description. That's the best broker that I can recommend to you guys that I'm using. You can flip your small account, $5 account, $2 account into $100 account. It has a good leverage, guys. Good leverage. 1 is 3,000. Imagine. I always use it to flip my $5 account to $120, $165, like crazy amounts. So that's all about the trade. This is the trade, and yeah, it is what it is, guys, and yeah, it is what it is. We have stopped out at break even, and that's part of the game. That's all about this video, and peace out. Let's meet into episode day 10. Yeah.